saying that ID will read this. Okay? Arif Qureshi, that ID will read this. Only that ID. Who is that? ID name is Qureshi Arif. Okay, now next ID. Sarani Ghazi. ID name is Sarani Ghazi. Do you want to read?
Present. Present,
Huh?
ma'am.
Do you want to read this paragraph? Are you able to see my
Present, ma'am.
screen? हाँ तुझे read करना है ये? You want to read this paragraph?
पूछे जवाब दे. Food items such as citrus,
Cereals,
corn,
cereals,
green leaf,
cereals.
cereals, corn, green leaf, vegetables and fruits contain fiber that
Yes,
cannot
I
be digested by our body.
Hmm.
The part of the planet food
Plant,
that
plant.
cannot be digested is called activity fiber. It helps to remove waste metals
Materials.
from our body. Materials from our body. Hence, activity fiber is very important. Water is also a very important part of our diet. Our body needs water for all its operations. We
Functions.
should drink plenty of water every day.
Okay, well tried. Very good. Now, first sentence I'm reading again. Food items. So, like every time in every paragraph, the first sentence is that only. They are showing the list of the food item. So here again they have given the list. Food items such as cereals, corn, green leafy vegetable and fruit contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. So here you can see fibers, the whole food item, the picture is given, and now how it's beneficial to us, that we will see. And do you know meaning of digested? Who knows the meaning of digested? Who knows? You can unmute your mic and tell me if you know meaning of digested. After you eat the food, what will happen in your body, inside the body? Who will give me the answer?
Ma'am,
Who is giving the answer? Please tell me your name also if you are giving the answer. After you eat the food, what will happen in your body?
my name is Nurul Abbas.
हाँ.
अभी
हम्म.
हमारे पेट फुल हो जाता है फिर हम कुछ नहीं खा सकते.
फिर अंदर जाके क्या होता है फूड को?
वो नहीं पता.
उसमें से खून बनता है कि नहीं बनता है?
बनता है बनता है.
हाँ. After you eat the food, good food will become your blood, yes? Only good
Yes.
food and healthy food. And
Yes.
some part will not be digested. Sometime vomiting, then acidity, and so many problems also you are facing. Sometime. Have
Yes.
you heard that the problems? Vomiting and acidity, that all the are problems which you are facing sometime. When you overeat, no, that time. Overeat means ज़्यादा खाना. Okay?
हाँ.
That time you face this problem. And some part will not be digested. That will remain
Yes.
as waste material. That will not become blood.
Yes.
Very good. Now mute your mic. Now I'm explaining second. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. So again the word digested.
Zainab ma'am,
Yes, what is your name, beta?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
I am trying again.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ, आई एम स्पीकिंग नाउ. Now
मैम
you
आपकी
tell me.
आवाज
Only one person will give me the answer. Huh? That which ID? Sara Nigazi. You only tell me. Okay, I am speaking. If my voice is not coming, then you can tell me. And now tell me, Gazi, voice is coming or not? Gazi, Gazi, are you able to listen to me or not?
मैम वॉइस आ रहा है।
Then why he cannot reply me? He was telling me that voice is not coming. Maybe
मैं
there is
वो
problem in his problem.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरे को।
But Nurul said that my voice is coming.
जैनब मैम कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
मैम आपकी आवाज तो आ रही है।
Then
हाँ मैम मुझे भी आ रही है।
those who are not
मैम
able,
मुझे भी
those who are
मुझे भी
not
आ
able to see, they please
मुझे भी आ
check
रही
your
है।
connection.
मैम
Check
अब
your
मेरे को
connection.
भी आ रही है।
हाँ. So first sentence was that. In first sentence they have shown list of the food item. Okay, list of the food. Second the definition, and now third. You can see this word help. In all the paragraph for all the food group, they have shown also the benefits. Because without knowing the benefits, we will not eat that food. If it's beneficial, then we will eat. So here they have shown how it helps us, means the benefits of that. So I'm reading this. It helps to remove waste material. So I'm showing our system. Like this is whole procedure. How food entering in our body and how the waste materials are removed by our body. From mouth to the last part. Okay. The whole procedure is like this. When we are eating our food, when food enters in our body from the mouth, and then at last when the waste materials are removed by our body, the whole procedure is this. Okay, so through this system and this way, the waste material will be removed. Okay.
यस
Now,
यस
huh,
ओके
that way it helps us, means that is its benefit. So dietary fiber is important. As it's beneficial, that's why it's important. Otherwise, it will not be important for us. Now, next, this was about dietary fiber. Now, the second paragraph is about water because our heading is that. Now, next is about water, and most of you all know the benefits of water and how many glass you should
व्हाट
drink
इज
on.
मीनिंग ऑफ बेनिफिट।
Benefits फायदे.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बेनिफिट्स मीन्स हाउ इट हेल्प्स. बेनिफिट्स का हिंदी होता है फायदे. फायदे, ठीक है. Means how it's helpful to us. That. Who had asked me first? Tell me. Who had asked me the meaning of benefits?
नूरुल
Now it's clear, no? Benefits means फायदे.
यस
Huh. Now water is also a very important part of our diet. Without that, our diet is incomplete. We all need that. Our day is also incomplete without that. So next sentence, our body needs. Needs means chahiye, we want, require. I'm saying the synonyms also. Now our body needs water for all its function. Means
मैम
suppose.
आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
किसी ने आपकी स्क्रीन किसी ने प्रेजेंट की है, आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है।
But who else is presenting the screen? Someone else is
मालकाणी
also present.
मालकाणी अस्वाफ, डोंट प्रेजेंट योर स्क्रीन बेटा।
Ma'am, I can't understand.
But let that student is presenting a screen. Who is that? Someone is
Ma'am,
presenting.
Malkani Ashraf.
So let his or her finish. That I can explain. Otherwise, I can't explain. Without showing the textbook, I can't explain, no?
Malkani Fatima.
Who is that in that ID? Malkani Fatima.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Malkani Fatima, please. हाँ.
Okay, continue करो Zainab
हाँ.
ma'am.
So I was explaining second sentence. Our body need water for all its function. Function like we are thinking. And for
मैम
thinking,
आपकी
Nurul, you tell me.
मैम आपकी आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रही थी तो मुझे कुछ सुना ही नहीं दिया.
Okay, I'm asking to someone else who has listened properly. I think so, Bhimani, Sakina. You give me answer.
मैम मैं ज्वाइन मैम मुझे भी सुन रहा है.
So I'm again explaining from water.
मुझे भी नहीं सुना.
One by one, please. I can't listen to everyone.
मुझे भी आपकी आवाज नहीं सुना
Who is that again presenting the screen?
Malkani Ashraf, please don't present your screen बेटा. एक बार तो रिमूव किया था, अभी फिर से कर तू बेटा तेरे को रिमूव. Don't present your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
But I never speak anything.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
But I never speak anything. Let me first speak, then you can check my voice. Without that, I never said anything. See again presenting this. Who is that? Malkani.
हेलो
Don't present your screen.
हेलो
हाँ સર.
આ માલપાણી એસઓપી સ્કીમ કેમ વારાઘડી પ્રેઝન્ટ થાય છે જો અત્યારે પ્રેઝન્ટ છે
જુઓ તો સાહેબ હવે થઈ ગયું.
નથી સજી પ્રેઝન્ટ જ થાય છે
હજી 1 મિનિટ સર જુઓ તો હવે.
એકચ્યુઅલી તમે જે છે ને મારા ખ્યાલથી જોઈન ઉપર ક્લિક નથી કરતા પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર ક્લિક કરી નાખો છો એટલે આવું થાય છે સ્ટોપ પ્રેઝન્ટિંગ છે ને જે લખ્યું છે ત્યાં ક્લિક કરો જો તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર સ્ટોપ પ્રેઝન્ટિંગ લખેલું છે
એક જ મિનિટ સાહેબ. હવે જુઓ તો સાહેબ.
ઓકે ઓકે હવે નથી થઈ ઓકે
ઓકે સાહેબ આ જો સમજમાં નથી આવતું ને નો સાહેબ થેન્ક યુ.
ઓકે અને જો છે ને ઓલું સ્ટાર્ટ પ્રેઝન્ટિંગ થઈ જાય ને તો ટીચરની સ્ક્રીન વહી જાય છે એટલે એના સિવાય આખો ક્લાસ ડિસ્ટર્બ થઈ જાય ઓકે નો પ્રોબ્લેમ કન્ટિન્યુ મિસ
Thank you. Okay, so I'm explaining from first sentence. Water is also a very important part of our body. It's our diet. Without that, our diet, our daily is incomplete. And who is that? Sheikh Mohammed Nas? Everyone, please mute your mic. Go on, yes. Mute your mic. And second sentence is our body needs water for all its functions. So functions like when something enters in our body or some infection or anything will happen which is not normal for our body, then automatically the signal will be given by our brain. Our brain will be alert. So that is the work of our brain. Yes, Vimani Sakina, you tell me. What our brain do? What are the function of our brain?
ब्रेन इज माइंड.
How it works?
वो हमको बताता है कि हमको हमको किसने
चीटा भरा हम पानी पीना है या नहीं, हम
हाँ
कैसे पानी पिए, वो हमें फंक्शन सब डालता है.
हाँ, very good, excellent. Now next ID is Pojani Shabnam. You unmute your mic. I'm asking one question to you. Tell me the function of a क्या the function? बॉडी क्या क्या काम करता है? Like Sakina said that how our brain works. Yes? Sakina said no, how our brain works. Yes? Now you tell me about our breathing and respiratory system. Our breathing system, our respiratory system. Do you know the answer, Pojani Shabnam? If you don't know, who will give the answer? Respiratory system means we breathe and breathe out. No, that. That is also a function of our body.
We need. My
but
name
what?
is Nurul Abbas.
हाँ.
We need food. We use our nose to breathe.
But in breath, do you know
Without
what we take, oxygen or carbon dioxide? What we take, breathe in?
oxygen.
Very good. Excellent. So that all are function of our body. And now see, they are giving the answer, Nurul and Sakina, they all. But I will tell to someone else also to repeat the answer. Okay, these are the basic function of our body. So these all are function. Like suppose while studying, you use your brain. And if you are hungry or if you are thirsty, thirsty means you need water and hungry means you need food. So if you are thirsty and hungry, you are not able to concentrate on your study. And for studying, we are using our brain. So that is also a function of our body. So for that also, for every function, we need water as well as food. So that was second point. Now last is we should drink plenty of water every day, minimum 8 glass. That much we should drink. Then you can drink more also. Okay, so that I have shown here through these pictures. Okay, now who wants to read this? Okay, I'm saying the ID, that only.
I want to read.
Okay, Keshwani, I'm saying the name. Keshwani Taki, that ID.
I want to read. Yes, ma'am.
Turn by turn, only this ID. Keshwani Taki, this ID.
Ma'am, there are two Fatima. Which Fatima?
Right now you are speaking, no?
Yes, I am speaking Taki Keshwani.
You speak.
Okay. The diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called the balanced diet.
Wait now. Now in this dish you can see the heading also. After that, what? Who had
Diagram.
Anybody who is asking diagram? Who is asking the question? Please say the name and then ask your question.
Ma'am,
What is your name? Now ask me the question.
ma'am, what is this diagram? I don't know.
Diagram, this diagram, no, this is, see, I have underlined this heading, food items of balanced diet. Means they have shown all the food item. Yes, who is that? They have shown different food items according to its benefit, means how it helps us. If it's helpful, if it's beneficial, then only they will include in balanced diet. Means it's healthy, that's why. So food item of balanced diet means, suppose if we are only eating this for whole year means 365 days, if you are only eating this food, cereals and potatoes and everything, then you will only get carbohydrate. Then you will not get protein. Who was that? Please say the name of, and first let me finish. After I finish, you can ask me the doubt. So then you will not get protein as well as you will not get vitamins and minerals. Now suppose if you are only eating vitamin this,
आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं देख रही.
it's visible. I know it's visible. It's visible. Maybe see, my ID name is Zainab Jivani. So you tap on that ID.
नहीं, आपकी स्क्रीन मेरे को नहीं दिख रही.
Wait, let me ask to someone else.
मुझे
Nurul,
तो दिख रही है.
Nurul,
Ma'am,
my
Fatima,
मैम मुझे दिख रही है. दिख रही है. मैम मुझे दिख रही है. मैम मुझे भी दिख रही है. मैम स्क्रीन इज विजिबल.
ma'am दिख रही है.
मैम मुझे भी दिख रही है.
I know. Even I am also. That's why I am saying. I am sure that my screen is visible. That's why I'm saying. Yes. I am sure that my screen is visible. That's why I am telling you.
नहीं दिखा दे रही है.
Maybe there is problem in your phone.
मैम मुझे भी दिख रही है.
Now let me continue.
दिख रही है.
Now let me continue. Now suppose you will only eat fruit and vegetable. You will not eat cereals, potato, nothing. You are only eating fruit and vegetable for 365 days, the whole year. Then you will only get vitamins and minerals. You will not get other food group. Yes, other protein and mineral, nothing you will get.
Ma'am, what is meaning of main vitamin?
This way you don't speak. First tell me your name that I can know who is speaking. And let me finish also.
Jawad.
And who is there with you? Rida is there? Your sister of that 7th standard? Two voices coming from your ID. And this all the food group I had already explained you. See, I am showing. Carbohydrate that we have seen. That I had explained you. Protein I had explained you. That is bodybuilding food. Fats also I have explained you. Vitamins and minerals also I have explained you. Now they are showing in this balanced diet that if you will only concentrate on any one food group, you will not get another minerals, protein, carbohydrate, you will not get other. So they have shown this. So now I am reading the next. The picture shows more food items that make a balanced diet. In order to stay healthy. Now they have shown the benefit of it. To stay healthy, we should eat food items from each of these food group. Each of these food group means not any one food group, all the food group. Then only you will get all the benefits. Not any one food group, but all food group. These are so many food groups. Okay, now Jawad will give me the answer. Rasadia Jawad. If you are available, then unmute your mic and say, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
There are two Fatima, and in one mobile only we are doing.
Oh, I will take care of it. When I if your turn has come now, then the next person can say.
Ma'am, what's your name? is
Ma'am,
same?
ma'am,
Okay,
always
ma'am.
my sir.
What? Okay, Dasaria Mohammed Jawad is present. Then unmute your mic and
Yes.
read this.
Ma'am, can I read?
No, no, he will
Ma'am,
read.
can I read?
No, no, he. I said no ID name.
Yes. Ma'am, can I read?
Only he.
Yeah, ma'am.
Read this. What is it?
रोहन मैम बहुत झाका झाका दिख रहा है इसलिए
No, it's visible. I know,
मैम
I'm
कुछ
sure.
मैम कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है
Let
मैम
me
कुछ
ask
दिखता ही
Nurul.
नहीं है
Let you both are only there that who are not able to see. Other all are able to see. Only you both. I don't know what problem
મેમ
you have.
ઓલી મેમ લાલ કલરની લીટી છે ને એ વચ્ચે આવી ગઈ છે તો કઈ દેખાતું નથી
So that you don't have to read. That big handwriting only. Because that I have underlined.
Okay.
This is
ઓકે મેમ
I have underlined.
હોલ
Upside.
तारो से समझावे
मैम जो अंडरलाइन किया है
Who is that?
जो
Wait,
अंडरलाइन
wait.
किया
Wait, that
Underline.
another one, please off your mute and anything. Off your camera also and mute yourself also.
Zainab ma'am. Science.
Now Nurul, you can read.
Hasan,
मैम हसन गोवानी
please
Stop
stop your
present.
presenting. Hasan Kesani, please stop presenting, बेटा.
मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ
अभी स्टॉप पे तू क्लिक कर दे. तेरी स्क्रीन पे जो स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग लिखा है ना वहाँ पर क्लिक कर दे बेटा तू.
मेरा नाम हसन केशवानी नहीं है
But ma'am is not telling to you. Ma'am is telling to someone else that ID is Keshwani Hassan to that ID.
Okay, continue.
Thank you. Nurul, now read that heading.
होल
It's quick combo. Combo means combination. So here they have shown few combination. Yes. Combination of the food. Combination of the food.
What is the meaning of combination?
Who is asking me? Who is that?
Sajjad.
Combination means sometime you like bread with jelly. Yes, not bread butter. That is your combination. Who is that? Let me first answer to someone, then you can ask the doubt if you have. So Sajjad, listen. Suppose sometime you prefer bread and butter, not bread and jelly. So that is your combination. Means with one food you select some other food, and normally you are eating that two only together. So that is called combination. So here in first combination, you can see here they are preferring this combination. They are preferring this combination. Like you are selecting sometime some other combination. I have given the example. Some select bread butter, some select bread and jelly. So that way they have shown the combination that you will get everything. But selection should be from this food group. from this food group. Suppose you select egg, then you select sandwich, then you select milk, then you select some vegetables, and then you select some bread. So this kind of combination should be there from all the food group, one item. That you will get carbohydrate also, you will get protein also, you will get vitamins and minerals also. Now Sajjad, read this. If you are able to unmute your mic, then speak. Then read it.
Ma'am, can I read please?
What is your name?
Ma'am, can I read please?
No, this ID. Sayyada Rajani.
Ma'am, Razali.
मैम मैं रीड
Ma'am,
कर सकती
Razali.
हूँ?
No, I'm saying the ID. I'm saying the ID. That only.
Ma'am, मेरा सही नहीं है.
I am read.
I'm saying the ID. That only. Rajani Sayyada. That ID.
मैम मेरा टर्न ही नहीं आया.
But only I have told to few students, 2 or 3. In that 2 or 3, I can't ask for whole class. So this ID, Rajani Sayyada, read this. If you want to read, then only. If you don't want to read, then I will tell to someone else. Then tell me your name also.
Ma'am, Razali.
Okay.
Ma'am, Razali.
हाँ read
मैम
this.
मेरा टर्न नहीं आया है.
हाँ Amir, I will give you chance. Wait.
मेरा भी टर्न नहीं आया.
हाँ.
If
What is the heading that also you read?
food items are
Preservation.
preservation of food. If food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. Such food items are bad for our health. Preservation of food prevent it from getting spoiled. We can preserve food in a number of ways.
Stop now. Stop. So I'm reading again. Preservation means how we are storing. No, I will tell. Right now I'm explaining. Like we are storing, we are keeping our clothes in cupboard, and we are keeping. Who is presenting the screen?
Asgar Govani. Stop presenting, beta.
मैं रीड करूंगी फिर.
But let me explain. Start presenting the screen.
मैम
First I'm explaining the first paragraph. Then.
Ma'am,
मैं रीड कर.
First let me explain first paragraph.
मैम मैं रीड कर सकता हूँ.
Let me explain first paragraph. Then I will tell the ID name. That person can read.
मिस
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who is that? Yes, do you want to ask anything? Then let me continue. So preservation means
Continue.
So preservation means store. Like we are keeping our clothes in cupboard and we are keeping the food in a fridge. Or by other way, we will study the different ways by which we can preserve means store our food. That we will later. But why it is important to store food? So for that they have shown if food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly. We are keeping that food like it's not yet finished for the first day, for the second day, and you are even not keeping that properly.
Madam,
Yes.
ma'am, I am read. Ma'am, can
Yes.
I read? मैम ये लिखने का है.
No.
Read. Can I read? Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read? मैम ये लिखने का है. मैम can I? मैम can I read? मैम ये लिखने का है. मैम
Let you speak. Let you speak. Let you speak. Let you speak.
मैम can I read? मैम
Let you speak.
I want to read. I can read full nice.
Now I'm not explaining only. Now I'm
Ma'am,
teaching.
लिखना
I'm
है?
not teaching you.
मैम लिखना है.
Ma'am, if food items
Ma'am, लिखना
are
है?
kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they
मैम इन सबको लिखना है.
No. Now I-
Miss, can I read? Miss, मैम ये लिखना है.
what do you
मैम ये लिखना है.
what do you Now I'm again starting explaining. If you will disturb me, I'll stop teaching.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Who is that? Your name? I'm just noting only everyone's name. I have noted down so many names.
Miss,
Yes. Who is that?
मैम मैं रोहन.
What?
मैम मेलवर्स का बारे में. मैम can I read?
She is sitting beside you.
नीला भाई.
Anas, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic. I'm explaining. Then I will give the chance to someone. I will say the name of the ID. That person will only read. So if you will not store, what will happen? They get spoiled. Means it will become unhealthy. If you will not store properly. Even if you will not take care of clothes.
मैम
That-
आप कहाँ से रीड कर रहे हो?
Here. Here. I'm explaining just. I'm not reading, but I'm explaining.
They
If it's
get
not
spoiled.
stored, if it's not stored, like we are storing our food in the fridge, we are keeping our clothes in the cupboard. If we will not take care of it, then it will become spoiled.
हम कर सकते हैं.
Who is that? Sheikh Samir, who is that? So such food items are bad. Means which food item which gets spoiled. Means which we are not storing properly. That. Now preservation of food prevent it from getting spoiled. Now what is the solution? So solution is preservation of food. That is the solution. That is the solution. So we can preserve the food in a number of ways. Totally there are 5 ways. First is drying, second is pickling, then third is here. These are total 5 ways. First we will understand first 2 ways. And now I am only reading, I will not give the chance to anyone. So first way is drying, removing the water content of the food. Some food are dry itself, but some food has water in it, like grapes. They have given the example of grapes. Now, by drying grapes, it will become like the picture. Through drying method, the grapes will become like this. Through drying method. When you will remove the water content, means water from that food. When you will remove or separate it. So that was the first example, and that was the first method.
Present string present.
Now second type, I am only reading, I will not give the chance to anyone. So mixing fruit and vegetable with salt and oil. So these are the different ways and different fruit and vegetable they have shown. Sometimes carrot. Mahesh, please unmute yourself. So sometimes they are taking mango, carrot, and so many different vegetable and fruit. So mixing fruit and vegetable with salt and oil. I think so most of you have seen this. Yes? Nurul, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Nurul, you tell me what you will call this. What do you call this?
Athru.
So do you know what is included in this? इसमें क्या क्या होता है?
संभार, केरी, संभार, અને તેલ.
Even salt. Yes? Means salt in you can, it's mixed, so you can see. So they have shown that only mixing fruit and vegetable with salt and oil. And the example they have given, which I have shown. Yes, so here they have given only some example of the fruit and vegetable, but so many different kind of picklings is available. Now 2 methods we had completed. Now 3 more methods. So third method, refrigerating, keeping food in the fridge. Keeping the food in the fridge and here in the freezer. Nurul, tell me the difference between fridge and freezer. What is only fridge and freezer?
मैम फ्रीजर में बर्फ हो जाता है और फ्रीज में कुछ बर्फ नहीं होता तो सिर्फ ठंडा ही रहता है.
Excellent, very good. So I have shown you the pictures also. This is freeze and this is freezer. And that's why the names are also related to that. Refrigerating and deep freezing. Deep freezing means when we are keeping the food in freezer, not in only freeze. Okay, not the downside of the fridge, but in the freezer. Now for what we are keeping that food? That we can preserve it for a long time. Okay, if you want to preserve it for a long time, then you will put in the freezer. And if you want to preserve it for a short time, then you will keep this in refrigerator. Means only fridge. And the example they have given, that what we are keeping, vegetable, then cooked food, that we are keeping in the downside of the fridge. And this meat and fish we are keeping in the freezer. You can see here. Okay, in the freezer mostly we are keeping non-veg and vegetables downside. Now the last method, canning and bottling. Canning means cans. Bottle and cans both are same only. Storing food in cans and bottle, like sauce and jam. Like we are keeping the sauce and jam, no? This jelly and sauces. How we are keeping that? In what? In the bottles. Yes, in the bottle we are keeping sauce, then jelly, then jam, everything we are keeping in the bottles. So this way also we can preserve everything and it will not get spoiled through this method. So this was that. Okay. I think so most of you have seen this bottles of sauce and jam. So that's why the name is canning and bottling, because we are keeping sauce and jam. Now I am only reading this. First is rest. So first paragraph is related to rest. Then next is posture, means body movement. So first I am reading first paragraph which is related to rest. Neha ma'am, what is the time right now?
टाइम हो गया है सीना मैम.
Okay. So I'm giving the today's homework. Today's homework is these 2 pages you have to revise this much.
मिस मैम व्हाट्सएप में आ जाएगा.
WhatsApp, okay? And we will continue from that like in like.
मैम व्हाट्सएप में आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
Okay.